Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love for you to hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will be making 3 home decor ideas. And if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this first project, we will do 2 styles of vanity trays. They're oversized vanity trays. The first one we're going to make with Dollar Tree napkin ring holders. The second one will be made with crystal knobs. So we're giving you 2 types of vanity trays. We are applying Mod Podge and permanent glue to the 4 corners of the mirror. Now we're going to set these 2 mirrors aside and let them dry while we proceed to move on to the next step. We will continue to apply the Mod Podge and the permanent glue to the mirror and apply the mirror to all 4 corners of the board. We purchased this really thick styrofoam board at Hobby Lobby. They cut it to the size of our mirrors, so if you purchase a board at Hobby Lobby, they will cut it to the size of the mirror for you. You can place books on top of the mirrors once you have them all pasted onto the board and let them dry for 24 hours so that they won't shift. You can do it before 24 hours, but it's not a guarantee that they won't shift. So give it a whole complete day so that you can make sure that the Mod Podge and the mirror adhered together. Make sure you take your time because you want to make sure that your mirrors line up with the board perfectly. Now this part is optional. You can choose whatever legs you want for your vanity. We just chose the Dollar Tree napkin ring holders. They look really nice on the mirror, so we just chose to use this, but you can use whatever you choose to use on yours as well. This part is optional. We are using gems, but you can use bling wrap or whatever you desire to use on your napkin ring holders. Now for time's sake, we are gluing the napkin rings onto the mirror, but if you want to make this permanent, you can use permanent glue to set these napkin rings in place. This part is optional. We're using brooches, but you can use whatever you desire. So this is style number 1 and it is complete. And let us know in the comments below if you enjoy style 1 or style 2 the most. So this is style number 2. Now we're moving on to project number 2. We are making a mini vanity tray. This part is optional. You can use whatever legs you desire, and also you can use whatever size mirror you desire of your choice. For time's sake, we are using a glue gun, but if you desire to make it permanent, you can use permanent glue for your knobs and also your brooches. Moving on to project number 3, this part is quick, simple, and easy. We will detach the glass from the picture frame and we will put a mirror inside of the picture frame. This little decor can be used on a dresser or a vanity. So this does complete our tutorial for today. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite DIY was. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.